The 7 most common types of people I get on the phone. 1. I only have a few things to move. Most people think they do not have much to move. But more often than not, you are basing this off of your size home, what you plan on selling or giving away. But even if you are giving away half of your stuff, half of a 2,000 square foot home is a lot. 2. I've got a ton of stuff and I don't want to deal with moving it. Everyone's opinion on a lot of stuff varies. If more than 70% of your floor space is occupied with stuff, then you do. Depending on how long you've been at this home, owner or renter, how many people are moving. 3. You hear all these horror stories about moving companies. Most people have horrible experiences moving. All of those horror stories are true. People have their items show up destroyed, or not at all. Movers holding items hostage, changing the price on both ends of the job. Some are too trusting and do not know how to do the research. Or, oddly enough, just don't care. They get this bullcrap price and think it's the best thing in the world. 4. Damn it, I'm getting 20 calls an hour, even at 4 a.m. Number 4. I've sure heard this before. You fill out a simple form, just 5 to 8 questions. Then the flood of calls, text, and emails pour in. I get so many pissed off people on the phone. While I don't blame them, I'd be pissed by the 20th call too. But ultimately, I'm the only person that can help you. It is said, don't piss off the cook. Well, you don't want to piss off the guy who is deciding how badly you're going to get screwed either. Plus, you didn't read the fine print. It clearly states, by filling out this form, you agree to getting marketing correspondence from our affiliates. 5. I just sold my home for 2 times what I paid for it. Damn, it must be nice. So you just sold your home for $1.8 million. Why in the hell did you click some random sponsored ad from some company you never heard of? Or maybe you did hear of them. There are some very large lucrative companies that I was shocked to see selling moving leads to scumbag fake movers. I smell another episode coming. 6. Everyone sounds like a lovely squishy teddy bear, and I just want to jump through the phone and hug them. Yes, there are people who live in a bubble. They think everyone in the world is as fun-loving as them. Bless their hearts. And the elderly, sigh, the naive and most vulnerable among us. I've seen people get talked into giving a $8,000 deposit, aka the salesman and broker commission on their $16,000 move. Oh, he sure got wind of our stank later. Probably our competition spilling the beans. Called back and trying to cancel, but it was 2 days later and he only had 24 hours. So he wasn't about to let $8K go. We put in some more fake discounts to make him happy until the random mover my boss sold his job to showed up. If someone offers you a list of discounts, watch out. Want to bet AAA? Never heard of this company? The worst part is he really had a $16,000 move, and when the mover showed up, poor Pops got hit with another $8,000 to make up for my greedy coworker. So what the hell are you to do? Stay tuned for step-by-step moving guides.